Deleting relevant search data and sites from Google Chrome is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to clear your browsing history and data efficiently. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Click on the 3 vertical dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Next, select History from the drop-down menu. This will open a new tab with your browsing history. Click on Clear Browsing Data on the left-hand side. In the Clear Browsing Data window, select the time range for which you want to delete the data. You can choose from last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. Make sure to check the boxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. If you want to delete passwords or autofill data, check those boxes as well. Click on the Clear Data button to delete the selected data. Google Chrome will now remove the specified browsing history and site data from your browser. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content.